I saw you have that pet range as well.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about that pet bowl and stuff that we've got.
Absolutely.
That it's like a 3-in-1 system there.
Exactly. And again, it starts with the ergonomic, the easy storage. You've got the water bowl, and you've got the feed bowl, and you've got the dispenser.
It's the slow feed bowl, isn't
Slow
it?
feed
So
bowl,
it's got these
exactly.
little rims going through it as well.
Makes it slower for the dog to eat so they don't get indigestion. But basically, it stores in the same footprint as the feed bowl.
Inside each other.
Exactly. And then when you expose it, you've got a water bowl, a feed bowl, and a dispensing
like
ladle.
A scoop, yes.
Exactly. It's got the beautiful silicone feet, so even if the dog does push it along the floor, it will not scratch.
The bowl and the water bowl and the feeding bowl all come with a silicone strip around it, which I know because they're putting their nose in trying to get their food and stuff, that it's not going everywhere all over the floor, and they can actually get to it easily.